Hello Tarot Lovelies, it's Ethony and welcome to First Impressions Friday on my channel. And this week I am sharing with you the Shakti Wisdom Oracle. This is art by Lee Libro. This came out in 2019. I backed this on Kickstarter and it has arrived. As many of you know, I'm still making my way through a massive backlog of decks that I received last year, which is the reason why I've got many weeks. I've got 2 decks going up on Oracle Wednesday. Sorry, not Oracle Wednesday, First Impressions Friday, because I want to be able to share them without them just sitting around. So my deck got a little bit banged in the mail, but that was that was the post issue. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook. It's a mother and daughter team. I got my little thank you thing for backing this on Kickstarter. So let's swap over the cameras and go through the Shakti Wisdom Oracle together.
Okay, so now we're going to go through the Shakti Wisdom Oracle, and I apologize for the lack of light. It is June, but it is also pouring with rain. We've maybe had a week of sunshine in June. I don't know what is going on. We're going to make it work. So as I mentioned before, I backed this on Kickstarter. I just took the external wrapping off, and on the inside we have older than the stars and sister to the moon. Here is a power drawn from the breath of tides. And then we have the little guidebook, some silica gel, and it is double. Of course it's double. I brought my scissors just in case so I wouldn't have to use my teeth, because it's not the sexiest thing in the world, and plus it's bad for your teeth. Okay, so that's the box. It's got the metallic, magnetic clip there. This is the guidebook, which we'll get to, but let's go through the cards. So the cards are standard tarot sized. I love the back. I'm really into this grey silver pink with the malas all around it. Sorry, the mandalas all around it. It is silver gilded. I really fell in love with the art in this deck. So as you can see, it has a there is a border and a keyword, adventure, and it looks like it's like pencil. I want to say it's like a being used pencil. You guys call them in North America pencil crayons. I think that is the weirdest name. We just call them colored pencils. Anyway, oh, Amazon. I've been lucky enough to go to the Amazon jungle and the Amazon river and spend time there at an a place to stay that is eco-friendly, and it was phenomenal. South America is so full of incredible magic. It's beautiful. Aphrodite. So clearly, as you can see, we're 3 cards in and there is some nudity. So if you have a problem with the nuds, if you have a problem with our natural body, then maybe not for you, but I certainly do not. Aphrodite. I love that the waves in the background also look like they are a love heart. Oh, birth. It's my son's birthday tomorrow. This makes me... I was actually thinking about it. Oh, look, and we've got the umbilical cord coming up from the lotus. I was actually thinking about it, and it was like, oh yeah, in like almost 13 hours I would have started to go into labor. Isn't that crazy? I'm sure every other parent out there knows exactly like the moment they like their labor started. Boundaries. It's beautiful. Like those thorns there, that rose. Bridget. Gorgeous triple goddess Bridget. So we have goddesses in here and also keywords, which I love. Communication. Conception. So far I am loving this. So far I'm really, really glad that I got this deck. Oh, crone. Beautiful. Daughter. death, divine feminine, that's gorgeous, divine masculine, that's really pretty, like the connection here of you have the wings on one side being wings and nature on one side, and then you have the city on the other with these birds. I really like that. It's a really unique interpretation of the divine masculine. Dreams. You all know how much I love owls. Durga. Goddess Durga. Full moon, which is also the image on the box and the book. Is really beautiful. Grief. Healer. Inner child. I love how it's free of the cage. That's so sweet. Like, gotta let that inner child free. Ooh. Intuition. Isis. Kali. Leadership. Getting very Ishtari vibes off of that one. Magic. Maiden. With a little bumblebee. Midwife. Mother. New moon. Opportunity. Persephone. Possibility. It's gorgeous. Look at that. I wouldn't know how to create that. Not a great artist, I'm not. Kuan Yin. Resilience. Responsibility. Rhiannon. One of my favorite Fleetwood Mac songs ever. Sage. Sexuality. Shadow. That's gorgeous. Yes, our shadow can be deeply rooted. Sorceress. Very Morrigan vibes from that one. Soulmates. Sovereignty. The Lover. Trust. And Yamaya. Gorgeous. Really beautiful. Okay, so let's give her a shuffle. Shuffles quite nicely. It actually would fan nicely too because it's got that more, what is it called? A shiny laminate. Okay. Whoop. We got soulmates. Okay, so let's have a look through. Shakti Wisdom Oracle. So from the creators, and then we jump straight in. So we go to soulmate. Soulmates come in many forms. They partner with you to advance your soul's purpose here on earth. You may meet someone you feel you've known on a soul level, as if you've known them before. Take comfort in their presence in a way that you've never with another. There may be a crystal clear sense of certainty about this. Know that this partnership, there is soul contracts and deep lessons to be learned. So you get a little paragraph for each one. So there is not any like spreads or any like how to read the cards or anything like that. It's very straightforward, and you know what, that's what it is, and some people will just want that straightforwardness. There are a lot of resources online for spreads and things like that. So that is the Shakti Wisdom Oracle. I'm going to, as always, place in the description box below where you can go and support the creators and get this deck if you feel aligned to it or find out more about it. And as always, Poppets, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, stay magical.